How to fix blurry photo in Picsart. Got a photo that's a little too soft? Here's how to fix a blurry image in Picsart. Start by uploading your photo and head to the Tools tab. Click on Enhance and then use the sharpen slider to bring out the details. If needed, go to the Effects tab and try the SDR effect to improve clarity and contrast. Zoom in to see how much sharpening is enough. Too much can add grain or halos. Once you are satisfied with the improved sharpness, hit apply and save your clear new photo. Ever had to rescue a blurry selfie or travel shot? Share your experience in the comments below. Pair sharpening with slight contrast and clarity tweaks for a cleaner or natural fix. And that's how you can fix blurry photo in Picsart. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.